Samsung has recently launched the Galaxy A54 5G, a mid-range smartphone that comes pre-installed with the latest Android 13 operating system and One UI 5.1 user interface. This latest release is a testament to Samsung's commitment to providing its users with the latest software updates and security patches. The company has promised 4 major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patches, which means that the phone is future-proof and will eventually receive Android 17. The Galaxy A54 5G may not have access to some of the more advanced One UI features found in Samsung's flagship devices, such as Samsung DeX, but it does come equipped with RAM+. This feature allows users to repurpose some storage space as virtual RAM, which enhances multitasking capabilities and improves the overall performance of the device. Moreover, Samsung has also improved the photo editing capabilities of the Galaxy A54 5G. The device features a quad-camera setup that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 5-megapixel macro lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. With these improved camera specifications, users can capture stunning photos and then edit them using the enhanced photo editing capabilities of the device. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is an excellent mid-range device that comes packed with some impressive features. With its promise of 4 major OS upgrades and 5 years of security patches, users can be sure that their investment in this device will be future-proof. Furthermore, the RAM Plus feature and improved photo editing capabilities make it a compelling device for users who prioritize multitasking and photography.